Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for rocking with Shawnette. Stick with me so I can show you how I install these boho locks. Be sure to part your hair as straight as possible. First, I started braiding my hair. I would braid it halfway and then switch over to twists. In the next clip, you will see how I switch over to the twists. Right here, I'm showing you how I split the hair to begin twisting. Now I'm working on my second braid and I'm repeating step 1. Step 2, which consists of splitting the hair and double strand twisting. Here is the product I use to moisturize my hair. It's called So Slick by the Brat. Here are the locks that I'm using. It's the Wavy Goddess Faux Locs from Amazon. I will leave all the details in the description below. Now I'm going to crochet my braid through the faux lock using my crochet needle. Then I'm going to move the lock halfway up the braid. Then crochet or loop the end of my braid through the base of the braid. Now that we've finished looping the braid through the base, now we're going to pull it halfway and prepare to finish the lock using the pre-fluffed spring twist. And you will see it coming up. Now I'm going to crochet the spring twist through the base of my braid, and then I'm going to wrap the spring twist around my hair and the faux lock to create one uniform look, and you will see that coming up. Alright guys, this is the finished product. This took me about a total of about 6 hours to complete because I did it myself, on myself. But yeah, tell me what you think. Please comment below and please like and share and subscribe. Thank you. Peace out.